This is a slightly different video from me this time round. And for those who have been watching the series of the family history of Fairwood Corner Farm, thank you very much. I haven't given up, I haven't forgotten. It has been a few weeks since I've done one, but there is a reason as to why. But the third generation video has been started and it will be here soon. This week, May the 11th to the 17th, is Mental Health Awareness Week. And sadly, just over 3 weeks ago, an offer was accepted on purchasing Family Farm. The hope of protecting the family legacy and the dream of shaping the future of this family farm on the several days running up to that offer being accepted, unfortunately were not to be. And that hit me really hard. It's been an emotional roller coaster that has been challenging to navigate. So I did what we always say we should do, and I struggle with it. I really do struggle with it. But I had to ask for help. I was struggling, or I am struggling, to figure out what my purpose is now. What is my purpose moving forward? And the fear that I have let my grandmother down with the fact that we are unable to continue farming here. So I asked for help. Within a week of contacting, I was lucky to have had my first session. I've had 3 sessions so far, and my 4th session is booked in. Is it helping? All I can say is it's definitely good to feel like I am being listened to, and that the chaos, emotional chaos that is in my head isn't as bad as I thought. I am very fortunate to have a very small but very good circle of close friends that since the news just over 3 weeks ago have either checked in on me daily or they have checked in on me weekly. So what is the point of this video, you're probably thinking? I don't really know. I've always been seen as the smiley, happy lady at the end of the work phone, helping a farmer when he needs some advice or he needs some support. Or I've been the bubbly, smiley person in the sheep yards, in the tractor cab, or even behind the camera, capturing farming memories for those in the rural community. But unfortunately, behind that smile and behind that laughter, I have been struggling. And I just want to make it known that it is okay to not be okay, and it is okay to ask for help. So, it's Mental Health Awareness Week, May the 11th through to May the 17th. I've said it before and I will keep saying it. If you are concerned about a neighbour, if you haven't heard from a friend in a while, if you see a stranger in livestock market once a week, or even a family member, I can't stress the importance of checking in with them. Checking in if they're okay, and just asking them if they are okay, because starting that conversation, you don't know where it will lead. That is what I did. I took that action to ask for help when I really, really needed it most. I will leave the contact details at the end of this video of the people that I am getting the help and support through. 24-hour helpline, completely confidential. And yeah, fingers crossed we're going in the right direction.